Hello students, let us go to chapter trigonometry, that is compound angle for class 11. I am taking the question from the book ML Agora for your ISC board. If a plus b is equal to 45 degree, so that 1 plus tan a whole into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. You have to prove it, okay. Now a plus b is equal to 45, it is given, okay. And you have to prove 1 plus tan a whole into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Taking tan both sides, if you take tangent both sides, this will be tan whole into a plus b is equal to tan 45, yes or no? Now apply the formula tan a plus b, compound angle formula, that is, you have to memorize the formula tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, and tan 45 is nothing but 1, okay. Now cross multiply, this will be tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. Do one thing, this one you bring this side, this will be tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Now adding 1 both sides, make one group here. This is coming 1 plus tan a. From the second and third you take tan b common. What is left? 1 plus tan a. On the right hand side 1 plus 1, that is 2. One time I have added 1 here, left hand side as well as right hand side. Now see, just you have to factorize 1 plus tan a, take outside, and what is left? 1 plus tan b equal to 2. In this way I have proved first question. What is given in the question? Given a plus b is equal to 45 degree, and you have to prove 1 plus tan a whole into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Okay, very important question. Using the compound angle of trigonometry, you have to prove it. A plus b given 45 degree, taking tan both sides, applying tan a plus b compound angle formula, that is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan into tan b. Tan 45 degree table value is 1. After cross multiplication, getting this one. Now just arrange properly, adding 1 both sides, you will get the result 1 plus tan a whole into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Okay, let us go next number. Question number 2, it is given a plus b is equal to 225 degree, and you have to prove tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is a question I have taken from the book ML Overall for ISC board. In this question, what is given? That is a plus b is equal to 225, and what is your requirement? That is tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. Taking tan both sides, if I take tan both sides, this will be tan a plus b, and this is tan 225. Just apply here 225 means apply here 180 plus 45. Okay, why I am doing this I will tell you later. Just see. Now apply the tan a plus b, that is compound angle formula. Tan a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now tell me tan 180 plus theta, which quadrant? First of all, see the quadrant coming more than 180 degree. This will be third quadrant. In case of third quadrant, the value is, as far as I explained, add sugar 2 copy, means tan theta cos theta will be positive in third quadrant. Therefore tan 180 plus theta will be tan theta, means tan 45. Okay. Now tell me, what is the value of tan 45? 1. The final result will be tan a plus tan b. This is 1 into this. Therefore answer will be, just after cross multiplication I am putting the value of tan 41, you are getting 1 minus tan a into tan b. And what is your requirement to find, to prove tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. That you got or not? Therefore final result you are getting tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay, in this way I completed number 2 question related compound angle chapter trigonometry. Let us go number 3 question, just to see. See the question number 3. question given in this way, prove that tan 20 degree plus tan 23 degree plus tan 22 degree into tan 23 degree equal to 1. You have to prove. See the question very carefully. What is question given in this? Tan 22 plus tan 23 plus tan 22 into tan 23 equal to 1. You have to prove. As we know, 22 degree plus 23 degree equal to how much? 45. This you know. Normal concept you apply. As we know, 22 degree plus 23 degree just for plain addition, how much you know? Total equal to 45 degree. Taking tan both sides. Then this will be tan A plus B formula. Directly I am doing in short. Tan 22 degree plus tan 23 degree divided by 1 minus tan 22 degree into tan 23 degree. In one step directly, because tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. And here what is like here? Tan 45. Tan 40 is what? 1. Taking tan both sides in this equation, we will get tan 22 whole into tan 22 plus 23 means tan, you take 22 as A, 23 as B. Tan A plus B formula you have to apply here, that is compound angle formula. What is that? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to. By cross multiplication, you will get the result, that is tan 22 degree plus tan 23 degree. This total will come here. After that, this minus tan 20 bring this side plus left hand side. This will be tan 22 degree and tan 23 degree is equal to 1 with left. In this way, I proved the number 3 question. Okay. Try to completely redo all these sums. They are slight important hard sums. Thank you for today's class. Next day, 2 more sums.